A special visit from the Duke, page 14. Good morning. Is this Detective Brown's house? Yes, it is, and we're his helpers. We're detectives too. We're the top secret detectives. Come in. Detective Brown is in the living room. Good morning. Can I help you? I'm the Duke of Rockingham. I live in the big house on the hill. What is the problem? The Rockingham diamond is missing. Missing? Yes, it's not in the safe behind the wardrobe in the bedroom. Who lives in your house? Me, my wife, the new cook, the cleaning lady, and the gardener. My house is very big. There are 7 bedrooms. That's big. Is there a swimming pool? Yes, there is. It's in the big garden. This is an interesting case. Let's go to the house. At Rockingham Mansion, page 28. Welcome to Rockingham Mansion. Wow, what a big house. Who is she? She is the cleaning lady. Is she English? No, she isn't. She's French. Where is the new cook? He isn't here. He's at the shops in Oxford Street. Is that the gardener? Oh no, that's Mr. Wells. He's my neighbour. The gardener is young and he's got blonde hair. Why is he in your garden? I don't know. Let's go and open the door. It's probably the police officer. Good afternoon, Officer Smith. Good afternoon, everyone. I got the video from the video camera outside your house. It's at the police station. Come with us. Bye-bye.